What's up, guys? So in today's video, me, Abraham, and Joel are going to be headed to the track. So the first thing I have to do is take off my stock or my Rovos wheels and put the stock ones on, because these aren't the immediate. They're wide, but they're not good compound, so we're going to go with the Nittos. Those hooked pretty good when I had them on. Alright guys, we got the stock ones on. Rovos up front. We're going to roll with it.
Hey, did Alex leave his traction control? Hey, you left hard. You left hard.
Yeah.
You seen it on the video.
Yeah.
What happened to your burnout?
Hold on, let's watch my shit, bro.
I don't know if you can hear me, but we're going on for our fourth run. I'm gonna shoot for 12.5. I'm gonna do a long burnout. We'll see what happens. I'll take it, 12.7. Alright guys, so a little update for you guys. I ran a 12.7, which was pretty good. Spun off the line, my 60 foot was ass, but damn, I launched a little too high, but we're gonna see if we can do a little better this time. So yeah, we'll see you guys.
Hey, did that help?
Yeah, it did.
Did?
Yeah, I ran a 12, I got a 12.7, that was my best so far.
There you go.
Yeah, awesome.
Good.
What's up guys, a little update for you. So the Cobra has ran, I think 3 times now. First run, ass. Second run, not as much ass. Third one was okay. I'm doing 4 or 5 more runs. It's pretty packed here tonight, but I ran a pretty good time, 12.8, I'll take it. But yeah, so we'll see you guys soon. Fuck, man. Alright, let's try this again. Let's fucking get it. Swear.
छोड़ना ये